In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can delete all watched videos here on Facebook. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and I can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But the first thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually open up the Facebook app in top menu down in the bottom right or up in the top right if you are on an Android device. And from here, it's going to take you to a section that looks like this. Scroll down a little bit and you're going to see a settings and privacy option. Hit that and then select settings to open up your settings and privacy options. From here, scroll all the way down to the very bottom and you're going to see an option labeled activity log. From within here, go ahead and select activity log, and then up at the very top, you're going to want to see this option that says your Facebook activity. Go ahead and select that, and then you'll see an option that says manage post. Go ahead and select that, and then within here, you need to go ahead and tick on this little filter option, and from within here select categories and change it to videos you've watched. From here, it's going to pull up every single video you've ever watched, and you'll actually see the option to clear video watch history. Go ahead and select that and then hit clear one more time, and your entire watch history is going to be deleted. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.